Floating screen upgrades are everywhere these days, but are they really the best choice for your Volkswagen? Let us tell you why the RCD360 PRO3S is actually better. Here at SCUMAXCON, we believe in keeping that clean OEM look. Here are 5 reasons why the RCD360 PRO3S beats those big aftermarket floating screens. Reason number 1. You don't have to cut your dashboard to install it. Floating screens require cutting out a big chunk of your original dashboard. That permanently devalues your car and looks messy. With the SCUMAXCON RCD360 PRO3S, it's 100% plug and play into your existing radio opening. No cutting, no modifications. Reason number 2. It looks like it belongs there from the factory. Floating screens stick out like a sore thumb and ruin the clean lines your designer intended. The RCD360 fits flush, matches your button lighting and materials. It looks like your car came this way from Volkswagen. Reason number 3. You keep your physical buttons and knobs. Everything on a floating screen is touchscreen only. That means you have to look down to adjust volume or change tracks every time, which is distracting. With physical buttons, you can adjust everything by feel, just like you did from the factory. Much safer while driving. Reason number 4. It costs a lot less money. Those big floating screens with installation can easily cost you double or triple what the RCD360 PRO3S costs. You still get full wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, but you don't pay for the expensive custom installation and big panel. Reason number 5. Fully integrated with your car's existing systems. The RCD360 PRO3S fully works with your factory multifunction steering wheel, can bust diagnostics, and premium sound system. Many cheap floating screens lose steering wheel controls and don't support premium sound. You end up losing features you already paid for. So to recap, here's why the RCD360 beats floating screens. No dashboard cutting, better factory aesthetics, physical buttons are safer, costs less, and fully integrates with all your factory systems. If you value the clean OEM look and want modern connectivity without the hassle, the SCUMAXCON RCD360 PRO3S is the clear choice. Click the link below to order yours today from SCUMAXCON.com and subscribe for more Volkswagen upgrade tips. Which of today's car gadgets was your favorite? If you loved the RCD360 PRO3S wireless CarPlay and Android Auto unit, give this video a like and subscribe for more. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.